What do we have here? Before we open this up, I just want to say thank you to the team at Cobra for making purchasing whatever awesomeness is in this box possible. Their customer service was second to none. Let's see what we got. This should make shooting fireworks a little bit more enjoyable this year, a little bit more fun. Lots of good packaging. I believe that's our R2. M. M. Whatever these little guys are, should be the testing lights, I do believe, for the cues. Nice, pretty solid case. Yeah. It's definitely in there pretty well. Let's take a look at these modules. Open both of these. Yep. There we go. 18R2 remote, armored case, two 18Ms, ready to go for this year. More to follow.